Hello students, today we are going to continue the lesson on saying please. The writer of this lesson you know very well, that Alfred George Gardiner. Okay, and page number of the passage is 16 of our textbook. 16. Fine. Okay. Now the writer want to share his experience with us with the help of this passage which is given on page number 16. Fine. Okay. I should like to features in this connection, my friend, the polite conductor. Now the writer want to discuss or share his experience with us, which is related to the polite conductor. Okay. By the discriminating title, I do not intend to suggest a rebuke of conductor generally. The title feature. Okay. And by this discriminating it means क्या बोलेंगे उसे, अपने मन में जो भेदभाव रहता है, कंडक्टर बोला कि जो इंटेंशन अपना रहता है वो इंटेंशन से राइटर डू नॉट वांट टू इंटेंड टू सजेस्ट रिबक टू कंडक्टर्स जनरली. रिबक एन एक्सप्रेशन ऑफ sharp disapproval. We should not we could not give the expression of good approval to conductor's behavior. That's why writer tell us by this discriminating title he did not intend to suggest a rebuke to conductors generally. On the contrary, on the opposite of this, I am disposed to think that there are few classes of men who comes through the ordeal of very trying calling better than bus conductors do. Okay. On the contrary, the writer want to tell us that there are few classes of men. Classes, वर्ग, क्लास रहता है ना हर एक लोगों का, तो वैसे a few classes of men who come through the ordeal difficult and painful experience of very trying calling better than bus conductors do. Okay. Generally, writer want to discuss with us that generally people have an experience of bad behavior of conductor with them. Okay. Ideal, that is difficult and painful experience of the person of a very trying calling better than the bus conductors do. Okay. Here and there you will meet an unpleasant specimen who regards the passengers as his natural enemies, as creatures whose chief purpose on the bus is to cheat him. Okay. Generally, what can we see that here and there we also meet the conductor's unpleasant specimen who regards specimen, that means conductors who regard the passenger as their natural enemies. They treated the passenger just as the passengers are their natural enemies, or the creature whose chief purpose on the bus is to cheat him, and who can only be kept reasonably honest by the loud voice and aggressive manner. Okay. Generally, what can we observe that generally conductor treated the passenger as they are their enemies, their natural enemies, and passengers are ready to cheat the conductor, and that's why he talk with the passengers in a loud voice, and it we can say that misbehavior of the conductor. Okay. समझ में आया क्या? राइटर हमें एक कंडक्टर का ऐसा उदाहरण देना चाहता है, लेकिन वो ये भी बताना चाहते हैं कि सारे कंडक्टर ऐसे नहीं हैं. स्पेसिफिक क्लास में सब एक जैसे नहीं होते हैं, लेकिन फिर भी बहुत सारे लोगों का ये एक्सपीरियंस है, पेनफुल एक्सपीरियंस है कि कंडक्टर को बस में चढ़ने वाले जो पैसेंजर्स हैं वो उनके एनिमीज लगते हैं, और उनके साथ उनका जो बिहेवियर होता है कंडक्टर का पैसेंजर्स के साथ जो बिहेवियर होता है वो ऐसे बिहेव करते हैं जैसे कि हर कोई पैसेंजर उसे चीट करना चाहता है, या फिर अपने 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 आप को ऑनेस्ट बताना चाहता है. और दैट्स वाई द कंडक्टर बिहेव विद द पैसेंजर्स विथ लाउड वॉइस एज एन एग्रेसिव मैनर. ओके. समझा? दूसरा पैसेज देखो. ऑनेस्ट but this type is rare. rare than it used to be, but this type is very rare, and it is very rare that used to be. I fancy the writer now fancy the public owes much to underground railway company, which also runs the buses or insisting on the certain standard of civility in its servants and taking care that standard is observed. Okay, now writer was in imagination that public maybe insist on on their point, that the underground railway company, which also runs buses and buses, they must insist on the certain standards of the civility in its servants and taking care of the standard in observed. Okay, ये कल्पना करते हैं राइटर कि अंडरग्राउंड रेलवे कंपनी जो बसेस चलाती है, जो बसेस चलाती है, उन्होंने ऐसा ऐसा अपने अपने वर्कर्स का और सर्वेंट का स्टैंडर्ड मेंटेन करने को होना, सिविलिटी के बारे में और उसकी देखरेख भी करने को होना, लेकिन इट्स ओनली फैंसी ऑफ द राइटर. In doing this, it not only makes things pleasant for the traveling public but performs an important social service. Okay, if the underground railway company do this, they insist on the servants behavior and they observe that that is very helpful to pleasant traveling of public as well as it perform the social service also. ओके, अगर रेलवे कंपनी ऐसी करती है, अंडरग्राउंड रेलवे कंपनी ऐसा करती है कि उसका जो स्टाफ है वो पब्लिक के साथ, पैसेंजर के साथ अच्छे से पेश आए या उसका बिहेवियर अच्छा रहे, तो ये एक सर्विस भी होगी, पब्लिक सर्विस भी होगी, सॉरी सोशल सर्विस भी होगी, और लोगों को ट्रैवलिंग करने में आनंद भी आएगा. लेकिन इट्स ओनली फैंसी ऑफ द राइटर. ओके, now in next passage, it is not therefore with any feelings of unfriendliness to conductors as a class that I pay tribute to particular member of that class. But though the writer think about the conductor that conductor's behavior is not so well to the public, but it is not therefore with any feelings of unfriendliness with conductor as a class that he want to tribute the particular member of that class. Okay, the particular member of the class, not whole class. It is very important to understand. Okay, I first became the conscious of this existence one day when I jumped on to a bus and found that I had left home without any money in my pocket. Now writer want to share his experience when he travel in bus and what is the behavior of conductor with him. Okay, and the first experience of the tribe, that's why writer want to pay tribute to the particular member of the class, that is conductor. I first became conscious of his existence one day when I jumped on to a bus and found that I had left home without any money in a pocket. Okay, once the writer want to go anywhere, and that's why he jump onto the bus, and when he jumped onto bus, then he found that he had no money. Okay, he had no money, he could not take any money in his pocket. Everyone had the experience and knows the feeling, the mixed feeling which the discovery arouses. Okay, discovery arouses. If now writer tell us that everyone has this experience because everyone maybe sometime miss their pocket at home, and that's why that's why writer expected that everyone had the experience, and everyone know the feelings or mixed feeling when which the discovery arouses. आया समझ में? You are annoyed because you look like a fool at the best and like a knave at the worst. Knave यहाँ पे मीनिंग दिया है डिसऑनेस्ट पर्सन. ओके, डिसऑनेस्ट पर्सन जो प्रामाणिक नहीं है उसे कहेंगे knave और dishonest person. Okay, if you are lost, you are forget your pocket in home and you are ready to travel in bus, and there are some experience or feelings or mixed feelings, you are annoyed because you look like fool at that time and like a dishonest person also. Okay, you would not be at all surprised if the conductor eyed you coldly as much as he said, yes, I know that stale old trick. Now, okay, राइटर ने अपना एक ट्रिब्यूट देना चाहा कंडक्टर को, और ये एक्सपीरियंस उन्हें तब आया जब वो बस में चढ़ के बस में चढ़े थे, और चढ़ने के बाद उनको ये ख्याल आया, उनको पता चला कि देर इज नो पॉकेट इन हिज पॉकेट, ओके, मनी पॉकेट इन हिज पॉकेट, एंड दैट्स वाई राइटर ऑल्सो शेयर विद दैट कि एवरीवन हैड दिस एक्सपीरियंस। हर एक को एक एक्सपीरियंस होगा कि बहुत बार ऐसा होता है कि हम पैसे लेने भूल जाते हैं। राइटर के साथ भी ऐसा हुआ। लेकिन जब हम बस में होते हैं तो वी लुक जस्ट लाइक अ फुल, और दैट मे बी द डिसऑनेस्ट पर्सन। या तो हमें कंडक्टर हमें मूर्ख समझता है, या फिर डिसऑनेस्ट पर्सन भी समझ सकता है। And that's why writer was not surprised if conductor eyed you too coldly, as much as to say, yes, I know that stale old trick. Okay, if you told the conductor that I have no money for ticket because I forgot my pocket in my house, then the conductor replied that I know that stale old trick. कंडक्टर हमें बोलता है कि हमें ये पुरानी ट्रिक आपकी पता है। नाउ देन ऑफ यू गेट, और वो हमें नीचे उतार भी दे सकता है। एंड इवन इफ द कंडक्टर इज गुड फेलो and lets you down easily, you are faced with the necessity of going back, and inconvenience perhaps of missing your train or your engagement. Okay, if if the conductor is rude, then he may say that I know your trick, and if the conductor is a good behavior manner or good fellow, then he lets you to get down, and you but there are also problem, you are faced with the necessity of going back, and inconvenience perhaps of missing your train or your engagement. आया समझ में? अगर कंडक्टर अच्छा रहा तो वो आपको अच्छे एक जगह पे उतार भी दे सकता है बिना कुछ बोले। लेकिन अगर वो उद्धट रहा, र्यूड रहा, तो हो सकता है कि वो आपके आपके बारे में कुछ अपशब्द भी बोले। और या फिर गुड कंडक्टर ने आपको उतार भी दिया तो भी आपके लिए इनकन्वीनियंस रहेगी, और आप हो सकता है कि आप अपनी जो डिसाइड की गई हो ट्रेन हो वो भी मिस हो जाए, या जिस किसी से आप मिलने के लिए जा रहे हो वो भी नहीं हो, है ना? तो ये एक्सपीरियंस राइटर वांट टू शेयर विथ अस इन नेक्स्ट पैसेज। हैविंग सर्च्ड माय पॉकेट इन वेन फॉर स्ट्रे कॉपर एंड हैविंग फाउंड आई वाज अटरली पेनीलेस। When the writer comes to know that there is no money in his pocket, and he forgot money pocket at his home, then he searched in his pocket, and but the searching of pocket is in vain, because there is no coppers, no stray coppers, and having found he utterly penniless. Now he was utterly penniless. Penniless, that means without any money, कफल लग जिसे कहेंगे। कि जब राइटर के ये ध्यान में आया कि अपने पॉकेट में पैसे ही नहीं है, हम वो भूल चुके हैं, तो उन्होंने अपने पॉकेट में हाथ डाला। कुछ मिलते हैं क्या? स्ट्रे कॉपर्स, कॉपर्स मीन दैट इज चिल्लर पैसे कुछ मिलते हैं क्या, वो देखने के लिए उन्होंने हाथ डाला। लेकिन उनको पता चला, हैविंग फाउंड आई वाज अटरली पेनीलेस, वो पूर्णतः क्या थे? कफल्लक थे। आई टोल्ड द कंडक्टर with an honest as sorry I told conductor with as honest a face as I could assume that I couldn't pay the fare and must go back for money. अब उसके पास कोई और दूसरा चारा भी नहीं था, इसलिए राइटर ने ट्राई किया। ही ट्राई टू टेल टोल्ड द कंडक्टर दैट बट व्हेन ही ट्राई टू टोल्ड द कंडक्टर ही मेक हिज फेस as honest as he could. Okay, and I couldn't pay the fare, and he told the conductor that he couldn't pay the fare and he want to go back for money. But oh, you needn't get off. That's all right, he said. But the conductor replied that there is no need to get off. It's okay if he had no money. All right, said I. But I haven't a copper on me. But again the writer said that he had not a copper. एक नाना भी उसके पास नहीं है, नाना जो जिसे कहेंगे कॉइन, एक कॉइन भी उसके पास नहीं है। तो फिर कंडक्टर ने बोला, ओ आई विल बुक यू थ्रू। तो कंडक्टर ने उन्हें हेल्पफुल नेचर से कहा कि आई विल बुक फॉर यू, आई विल गिव टिकट फॉर यू। ही रिप्लाइड, वेयर हैड यू वांट टू गो, the writer that where he had want to go. Okay, so and he handled his bundle of tickets with the air of man who was prepared to give me ticket for anywhere from the bank to हांगकांग. उसने जब राइटर ने बोला कि मेरे पास पैसे नहीं है, मैं घर पे भूल चुका हूँ, मेरे पास एक कॉपर भी नहीं है, तो कंडक्टर गुड नेचर था, गुड फेलो था, इसलिए उसने कहा कि डोंट वरी, आई विल बुक फॉर यू. और उसने क्वेश्चन किया कि आपको कहाँ जाना है, वेयर हैड यू वांट टू गो, कहाँ जाना है. और उसने अपने हाथ का जो टिकट का बंडल है, उसने ऐसे ऐसे उसके साथ ट्रीट किया, ऐसे प्रिपेयर किया कि जैसे कि वो राइटर को कहीं 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 का भी टिकट दे सकता है, फ्रॉम बैंक टू हांगकांग ऑल्सो. ओके, आई सेड इट वाज वेरी काइंड ऑफ मी हिम and told him where I wanted to go. It was very obviously it was very kind to him, and that's why the writer told him that where he want to go. As he gave me ticket, I said, "But where shall I send the fare?" Now, writer asked the question to conductor that where he should send the money or fare to the conductor. "Oh, you will see me someday, all right." Okay, but the conductor again answered that he would see him someday, all right. Okay, कि वो कभी ना कभी उनसे मुलाकात होगी ही. He said cheerfully, happily. He happily said that they will meet again, and that's why don't worry about it. He turned to go, and he turned to go, and then luckily my fingers still wandering in the corner of my pocket lighted a ceiling, and the count was squared. Okay. At the similar time, the writer's fingers in his pocket to wander the corner of his pocket and lighted a ceiling, and that's why there lighted on ceiling, and the account was squared, and he account was cleared. Okay, इसका मतलब क्या है कि जब कंडक्टर ने उससे पूछा कि आपको कहाँ जाना है, तो उसने वो टिकट भी दिया, और उसी समय राइटर अपने पॉकेट में कॉइन के लिए ढूंढ ही रहे थे कि उनको मिला, और उन्होंने उनके वो जो फेयर था वो सेटल कर दिया, वो चुकता कर दिया. एंड that fact did not listen to glow pleasure which so good mannered as action and to give me had given me. तो ये कर देने के बाद, हिसाब चुकता करने के बाद, फेयर देने के बाद, भाड़ा देने के बाद, राइटर को जो प्लेजर महसूस हुआ कंडक्टर का बिहेवियर देख के, वो उसको कोई धक्का नहीं लगा. यानी कि वो गुड नेचर का जो कंडक्टर था, वो वैसे ही उतना ही आनंद राइटर को मिला जब उन्होंने उसका भाड़ा चुकता किया. ओके, यहाँ पे हम रुकेंगे.